In my previous videos, I showed you guys how to make tubo de salad at home. This is a popular street food in Cameroon. I equally showed you guys how to make sardines at home. Now in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make sandwich at home using sardines. Our butter of choice is jadida. Now this is a very quick breakfast here in Cameroon. For most people, this is how they have it. So you're going to grab a spoon and proceed to scoop 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. This depends on you. Whichever brand of butter you use depends on you, and whichever quantity you love solely depends on you as well. Transfer to a bowl and then proceed to transfer your sardine fish as well. You can decide to debone your fish provided the bones are hard. If they are not hard, then you can mash them just like that. After adding your sardines, proceed to add some of your sardine sauce. This is where the difference is coming from. Mind you, our sardine sauce already has some pepper, some spices. Please watch that video. Check out the video on how to make sardines at home. I equally added some onions, but if you're not a fan of onions, then you can skip it. But this is practically it. Proceed to mix very well. You can get a fork and mash properly. I kid you not, if you follow the sardines recipe, you'll definitely end up with very tasty sardines. Very delicious sardines. I kid you not. Now after mashing properly, it should look like this, and whichever choice of bread you use depends on you. Some people add boiled eggs at this point, so their sandwich loaves will be very heavy, but that depends on you. You can proceed to adjust seasonings at this point. It solely depends on you. As for me, this is enough. This is low budget, and for most parties I witnessed as a child, this came in handy. At most celebrations and many more, I realized that this bread was served with tea. It was very affordable provided you made your sardines at home. Some people use mackerel. We commonly call it in Cameroon Morocco fish. I'm going to do a video using it as well because the bones are quite tough as compared to sardine fish itself. So just add to your bread and serve. You can use whichever bread as earlier mentioned. You can serve this with tea, you can serve it with a drink, and that is perfectly okay. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if this is your first time here, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell. Thank you again for watching.